I can't understand what I'm saying, but more I say. Just say you're not talk. Don't say nothing.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, Elephant Man and Beenie Man, them going at it. Yo, Elephant Man and Beenie Man, them in a beef. So for people who don't know, yes, Elephant Man and Beenie Man in a one little clash something saga. And me think them a do it the right way, you see me? Because the younger artists, them, me no see them a clash. If a man have a beef with the next man, like I'm afraid to call him name and a be a subliminal. You see me? But, you see, Elephant Man and Beenie Man, them a go at it. You see me? So we are going to talk about that right now. You see it? And people, don't forget, watch the full video. Because at the end, me a go shout out a comment. And in the comment section, you see it? So, me could go talk about the song now, no?
Let me know what they done, you know. The man, you know. The one, you know. Right now, me a
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we said check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that chop, and such chop. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
It's
exploded right now.
So people, everything start from this song where Beenie Man released a couple weeks ago when him Overground. Check it out.
Five cartel locked down the street from prison. Whoops, put your band and fly down. Come on. Bun to the killer ground. Godzilla first boss and second to none. From ding dong starts in the dancing song. Them elephant don't find none. All skankers put your right hand from your friend left shoulders and have fun. Let's go. I'll get to youth well money man I make. Money man I make. Me no need gun.
Yeah, so you see the line we say from ding dong start sing dancing song, elephant can't find none. So elephant never too comfortable with the line. The elephant never like the line there, you see it? So that's where it all begun. So after the song they do and the people them talk about the song there, you see it? Elephant Man in his feelings now and go release that song yeah, when him not talk, which me they talk about pan other video earlier on, but in case you miss it, me still a go play it, you see it. So Elephant Man, not talk.
Boy, yap, laba laba and talk. You think Cali could be cashews, me make ding dang them dance hard. Suppose me fi talk. Me not talk. You think cashew me can't talk. Me not talk. True, me no want talk. Me not talk. Me have to start laugh. The truth I go hurt them if me start talk. Me not talk. Say them say you kill me Sawaki. Me not talk. You no remember, you forgot it. Me not talk. Angel draws a who washi. A true elephant man don't chatty me not talk.
Yeah, so at first me never really like that song there, which me still kind of not really like it, but you know what I mean, a controversy sell. You see me, and right now, the younger artists them, nobody know want clash. The people them want see a clash, you know. You see me know my viewers and subscribers them want see a clash. So me still have a big up Elephant Man and Beenie Man same way, and them a keep it. Them a keep it within the grounds of nobody not to this no none of them one another. You see it? But anyway, that song they go out with that thing and people talk about that song the same way. And the other song we release, me not sure if a Beenie Man they do one song after or Elephant Man. But me I go play what me think. So me I go make me feel like say Elephant Man they release Grinch first. You see me? So me I go play Grinch I know, which this song was an excellent song. Me love this song, you see me?
Tis our ill thief, you grand thing. Rolling with wheat, we no show no smile. Chica a repeat, pan a pedophile. Me with that in here to no know me vile. When you see jungle man, you no style. A wild animal attack with precision. Could a magician, you sign the petition. You make your decision, show no this the done with all let the trap rifle in a hand.
No panda song yeah. This sound like the Elephant Man where we know in a 2000. This sound like the Elephant Man where we know and used to, you see me? Yeah, that song that did bad. You see it? Yeah man, that song they bad. So we could listen a little more of that song. Because I like that song, I not like. Out of probably all of the song them when I go play today, I feel like said that song yeah, I'm a favorite. But you can put phone choice in the comment section, you see me?
Why them go kick it off and know when it start. Them no have the heart, none at all. We not take no talk, send them to the mark. Family a ball funeral. Mind me make your body Merry Christmas. Who know bad man you know a mix up. Get it on the double, if you trouble, nothing more no dead if we discuss. No time for time.
And remember, a link for all these songs will also be provided in the description. So you don't have to go search if you want to go listen one of them, you see me, the full song. Anyway, you see, after the song there, which me feel say other song that it forward out first, me still not really know if I hit or leave it. But Beenie Man release a song when him leave it, so make we go listen it now.
Man a bad man, me no Flintstone. Me no pickaxe stick, me no brock bound. Where them there when man a walk through town? Me know Jazz Flash and Tony Brown. Rifle a rev like how they chuck them sound. Nuff king rise and we take them crown. Nuff boys see we and fi chill them frown. Desert Tigre, some black, some crown.
So just like Elephant Man song Grinch, you see me, Beenie Man leave it, them throw some subliminal in a them two songs, you see me. None of them no really go direct, but both song we don't know say yo, Elephant Man attack Beenie Man and we know say Beenie Man attack about Elephant Man. Same way, you see me, but them just keep it. And I feel like say yo, that song, I feel like say both of them song was like a warning to the two party. I said dog, don't play with me now, because in a Beenie Man leave it. Me know say Beenie Man a warn him and that tell him say yo dog, my war, you have to leave it. You see bad man over here, so you stay over the part there and leave it dog. Don't try provoke me because you're not ready for the warrior. Me feel say at that Beenie Man a one Elephant Man boat. You see me? So if you feel say that in the comment section, just state, you see me? And you see the part in that song here where I like the most, me I go play it for you right now.
I go and clear out the church and run down the priest. Come here, say him a take off the little boy brief. When the wet child molester, the gunshot a reach. All man we're up cradle and creech. Tell them to leave it. When my war, you don't need it. Bullet. All who can't hear, I go feel it. Make one phone call, you receive it.
Nah, telling you no lie, the general them a go hard. You see me? I feel like say dancehall wants to see the clash still, you know, because this would be a professional clash. This wouldn't be nothing where them new generation of artists are forward with. You see me? That one you afraid to clash with that one. Me know say Elephant Man don't afraid of Beenie Man. And me know say Beenie Man don't afraid of Elephant Man. So the two of them willing to go head. Why if they go head to head? But the two of them willing to go foot to foot then. The two of them willing to go at it and war, you see me? But you see the song when me forward to talk about today is a song when me just wake up this morning and see it pop up on my computer and me a laugh, yo. Me feel like say out of all of the round them, yo. Me feel like say a that song I take it right now. So probably me have to go say a Beenie Man a lead. Me no know, you tell me in the comment section what they think, but we have to go give Elephant Man time to respond to that song. So hear that song what me are telling about now.
I never know say one line could have caused so much problem, boy. I tell you. One
I
line.
did your trigger. You have a number one blast,
But I listen, I can't understand what I'm saying, but more I say.
So first of all, the intro is on point because Beenie Man just forward and say, shush, yo, we can't understand what he was saying now. Because everybody knows the Elephant Man have a little list down, you see me? So more time when him attack, you can hardly understand what he must say. But even though him have a list down, him don't really talk it in our music. When him a DJ, you can't really hear it. But Beenie Man still a mimic him and I say, yo, him can't understand what he must say, star. We don't know. So we can hear more of the song now.
Just say you're not talk. Don't say nothing. Suffering psychopath. Don't say nothing. Man, I got thrive. Don't say nothing. From the river to the bank. Don't say nothing. When I come here, feel lay no blame. Don't say nothing. But the way you call me name. Ding deck where you light for that you shame. Man, I roses for life. This ain't no game.
And the first me I hear two artists a clash, yo. And the artists I mimic the other artists. I say, yo, him can't DJ or him can't talk. Yo, and that's why king a king, and that's why legend a legend, yo. And me not necessarily attack on Beenie Man behalf alone, but me attack based on the two of them. Because as I said earlier on in another video here, you see, if the two man them decide to literally put on a lyrical clash, make the fans them see, me feel like it would be a wonderful clash. And as I said, me feel like say people want to see that clash, you see me. And I'm not disrespecting in another clash, just the man them just attack start them mind. And this is how clash we go on, you see me? Not a one man I say one line off of one track, and we have to go figure out if a them him attack. Yo, yeah, clash, you call the man them directly star. No man no go on like say, yo, them bigger than the next man for nah. Call the next artist name. You see me? Anyway, I'm gonna play one little part over more in other song here, and then we decide, or then we will a little reasoning.
Yeah, real life man live, man a bad man they forward pull up on the bridge. I spread false information like Sandy was sieve. Hold them here, hold them here, hold them here, hold them here, hold them here. Kick and box man a give. Just need to take back the money from the hub, yeah man we over the home come still there ya and I live.
Yeah man, so at that time, you see me, so tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me, you feel like say yo Elephant Man a lead, you feel like say Beenie Man a lead. Which song was your favorite song? Oh, you rate the Warrior, you interested in the Warrior, or you not really business about the Warrior? But me feel like say you're interested still, cause if you're never interested, you would watch out the review, you're straight out. You see me? So it's another time for in the comment section where we are going to take out a particular comment from a previous video and just read it, just shout it out. You see me? So right now, me want to big up Sheena Splat, because a Sheena Splat the comment here come from. And the comment read, big up yourself, ZK. A year time for shine. Chaddy TV, bless up. You see me? And this comment came off the previous video where me did dope on the ZK, you see me? That one artist when name ZK. So if you don't check out that video there, go check it out, or go check out ZK content. But go check out my video first, then go check out film content. Cause I go understand if you not already know about him, you see me? So it's a boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And remember, comment if you want to comment. Feel free to comment, yeah. Like, and if you want dislike, you dislike. But tell me why you go don't like my video, why you dislike my video, so probably we can improve it and work on the video. Anyway, still, I'm out.